there! Today I'm really excited to show you this plugin called Notice Box Ads. And what it does is allows you to have a advertisement that looks like a notice box on the bottom right corner of your web page. So why notification boxes? Well, simply because we are all trained to look at notification boxes and to take action on them. So let me show you how it works. Once you have installed the plugin, you will see a new menu here on the left called Notice Box Ads. Before you go changing settings, I'll recommend you to go ahead and create a new Notice Box Ads. Now let me quickly show you because I already have created an ad. That's why you see it up in the front home page. But let's go ahead and create a new ad here. I'm simply going to name this ad podcast. This title is not going to show anywhere. It's just for your organizational purposes. And I'm going to paste some text which I have pre-created. So that's the text that will go in here. You can put HTML in. And as you see here, I can even insert an image. But for this particular notice box ad, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make it plain text. Even though you can put in links and all that, it's not going to really matter, and I'm going to show you why. Because the link that you want people to click through to, and this can be any link. It can be any link on your existing WordPress site or even an affiliate link. So I want to send them to a page that's already on my website. I'm simply going to paste the URL in here and I'm going to publish. Alright, so now once I've published it, if I go to settings, I can choose to have different kinds of advertisements for different pages. So for posts and pages, I can choose either one of these. So I'm just going to leave the new notification box plugin, but I want on a home page to have the podcast ad, and archive pages are any kind of pages like your tag pages, your category pages. Another option that I can select is when the pop-up appears, I can choose to have it show up immediately when somebody enters my website or lands on the web page, or I can have it display after a number of seconds or after scroll action. So if you choose after a number of seconds, make sure that you enter the number of seconds in the next box. But I'm going to choose after scroll action, which is kind of a nice way to make this work. The final option here is the design options. Now the plugin comes with 5 preset designs, which I will show you what they look like. Right now I'm just going to choose design 5 and click save. And if I refresh this, you'll see that now we have a different ad on the home page, and if I go to another post in there, it's going to show me the original advertisement. So we have a couple of different designs. I just want to quickly show you the design. Design 2 is that real nice transparency. Design 3 is a Facebook color type pop-up, and design 4 is a Windows notification box type design, and design 5 with a yellow color that looks more like a alert style design. Now that we've finished setting up our ads, let's take a look at how this works. Now I am back on my home page, and as you see, the box is not showing up yet. That's because I have set it to display after scroll action. So let's scroll down, and you'll see roughly about halfway through the pop-up will come up right there. And when somebody looks at it and decides to click on it, they will be taken directly to the page that I have set up for them to go to. The nice thing about this plugin is that you can disable the ad on specific pages and posts if you do not want it to show. So what you do is you go to your posts or even your pages, and you find the post that you want to work with or edit. So on this page, let's say the great offer, I just go ahead and click edit, and I can simply check this box, click update, and now when I refresh this post, the notice box ad does not appear at all. Alternatively, sometimes you do want the ad to show, but you want the ad to be more relevant to whatever content that's on your post or your page. You go back to your post or page that you want to work with, uncheck this to show the ad, and then select the ad that you want to display on this particular page. So maybe I want to display that particular ad, and I update it. And now when I refresh this page, I will have the ad show up with the podcast ad.